At Mustang, safety goes beyond the checklist. It's a cycle of necessary and continuous improvement. Here are 6 steps that keep every worksite safer. Sort. Remove unneeded items and clutter from your workspace. Fewer obstacles mean fewer accidents. Straighten. Arrange green-tagged equipment and parts so they're easy to find, use, and return every single time. Shine. A clean workspace is a safe workspace. By cleaning and organizing, we prevent sudden failures and keep everyone protected. Standardize. We combine sort, straighten, and shine into defined processes so best practices become second nature. Sustain. Keep the 6 S's of safety alive by reinforcing habits, recognizing successes, and holding ourselves accountable. Safety. By embedding 6 S's at every stage, we identify hazards early, protect our people, and deliver excellence on every rental.